Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners who love to cook utilize their entire harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. In today's episode, I am going to let you know about what the best companion plants are for strawberries. One of the better companion plants for strawberries is a flower that's called borage. This little beautiful blue flower lets off a lot of scent that a lot of pests don't like, and the plant actually will help you get a higher yield in strawberries. Sage is another awesome one as a companion plant for strawberries. It smells amazing to us, but to pests not so much. It will help make sure that the things that like to eat the leaves and your strawberries, the slugs and all of that, don't want to go near it. So awesome companion plant. I'm going to be transplanting from the nursery pot going into my raised bed there for my strawberries. Being that I'm doing that, I want to ease the transition. I've already hardened the plants off, but just to ensure that they are going to be happy, I will give them the vitamin complex to ease it through, because this helps with shock. You want to get Super Thrive. It's organic and it's perfect because it's easy to use. You just put a little bit in the water and your first watering, put it right in. It's going to help ease the transition and just help your plant relax a little. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Sally and I thank you for viewing.